Wake up, people! This store is tainted with the blood of thousands of animals from the Amazon.
That was savage, bro.
Attention shoppers, the store will be closing in 15 minutes.
Everybody in position. There's no harm in throwing in some fun while we complete our mission.
Let's get this party started, yeah?
No more animal massacres. No more deforestation.
Wait till this goes viral. It's gonna be everywhere. The more damage, the better.
Some kid got inside.
We gotta deal with this quietly.
What did you do?
There's no service. He locked us in.
He's setting a trap.
We are all animals. And you're in my hunting ground.
There will be blood.
Found you.
Couldn't ask for a better place to die.